Welcome back. This is a continuation of my previous video, part 1 of 2, so let's jump right into it. But yeah, and then I added so that if you do not have enough money to buy the fish, then it does this cool thing. Ooh, yeah, that is satisfying. Give it up, guys. That is amazing. See, if you don't have the money, you ain't get no fish. Use a broke boy. Get out of here. Get out. We out here selling these fish. I mean, we gotta make a living. You ain't getting no fish unless it's a bull because I have pearls. Oh, never. Broke boy life. Anyways, yeah, that's a fancy, nice looking addition. I really like it. I also fixed it so that whenever you try to buy a fish, and if your pearls was less than how much it costed to buy a fish that even costed gold instead, then it wouldn't buy it. So for instance, a magic carp costs 50 coins and now you can finally buy it even though I only have 42 pearls. So that was just a little bug that I fixed. It wasn't really that hard. And along with me adding a grow time text to each fish, I also added a text that shows the fish available in this tab because you suck at counting, bro. But don't worry, I'm not only gonna have 4 fish in this game. I am gonna add a whole bunch more of different cool fish into the game. And no, Magikarp is not a part of this game. Although it is cool and I would love to have it, I'm not gonna keep this in here. I mean, everyone thinks this is a Pokemon game for some reason. Like, why would you ever think that? This game is not Pokemon, guys. It is Pocket Fish. And it'll stay that way. And then again, I increased the game's performance by doing a little something. This text right here was updating 60 times a second. I changed that to stop updating and only update every time the amount of fish changes. So if I sell a fish, obviously it changes. Whatever. Because a code that kind of looks like this was running 60 times a second, except for this part. If you know what coding looks like, then you know what this is. I didn't have this before. But man, guys, I feel like my game is really coming together now. It's getting pretty clean. I got rid of a lot of bugs. There's fish growth now. The UI is pretty clean. There's this age bar and timer. I need to add a performance tab in settings. That's what I'm going to do next. Sell all fish. I mean, it's not much, but it is coming along, guys. I'll say that much. And then after that, I added logic to this settings button, and now it goes here. Looks pretty nice. I need to find new icons for these buttons. And also, there is no logic here. I just added it here. I don't know. It's cool, guys. I mainly wanted to do this because this performance button right here, which is going to be when you go into performance, you could turn things off because I honestly think my game is very horrible on performance because if I have 2 fish in the tank while the game is running, my laptop goes off.
Hey Paul, do you see my flashlight?
I'm recording right now. My laptop just goes off. It starts overheating and I'm pretty sure if it was on a phone, it would be much worse. But maybe in the future, I'll understand how to make performance better. Hopefully. And then the next thing is going to be a big thing. And I hope I don't have too much trouble with it. As you can see this treasure chest right here. I'm going to have it so that when you tap on the treasure chest, it's going to bring you to some kind of cove. And it's going to be how you earn gold in the game. So my idea is that you have certain fish and each fish has different stats for exploration speed, and basically you're going to send out a bunch of fish to explore for gold, and based on their stats, that's how much gold you're going to make. Now I think this is a pretty good idea. I'm just going to throw it at the wall really hard because I really want this to work. So I'm going to be working on that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But right now, this chest kind of looks pretty crappy right now. I mean, look at the shadows, and it doesn't even look like it's sitting on the bottom of the ocean floor. I'm going to go into Krita here, and I'm going to add a shadow to it in Krita. But I'm not going to be scrapping a bunch of other people's artwork. I know that's not really a good idea to waste too much time on it, but hey. Okay, boomers, here's the chest without the shadows, and here's the chest with shadows. Boom. I know. Amazing. Yeah, it looks alright. Honestly, I don't really know how to draw a shadow for something that's sitting at the bottom of an ocean, but I think this will do for now. And now that I have the shadow actually drawn onto the chest, now when I animate it in the game engine, the shadow will always follow the animation that I make. So I'm gonna do that right now. And here's the animations. Look at that. Wait, wait, no. Why is... Stop. Yeah, bros. Look at that. Ooh. That is so beautiful. And for you actual coders over there, it wasn't working because I just had to do this. Boom, right there. You never seen it before, but reset trigger. You're welcome, coders. For you non-coders, don't worry about it. Reset trigger equals good animation. And understand? Alright, good. Man, I like this so much. Oh, what the? I said this is just so amazing. Oh man, I love making animations, guys. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That is just... Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Whenever you tap on the chest, it's gonna take you to the gold exploring room. And basically you set fish to explore for gold. And that's, like I said, the way you're gonna get currency in this game. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Yes, I know. I'm sorry. I know you're just so eager to watch my videos. Just give it up, guys. You love watching my videos.